Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English O Canada. Today, I want to share a wonderful story about a perfect day my family and I had at the park. We decided to embark on a little adventure last Saturday. The sun was shining, and the fresh air was calling our names. We packed a delicious picnic lunch with sandwiches, fruit, and some tasty treats. When we arrived, the park was bustling with people. Children were laughing on the playground, running towards the swings, and sliding down the slide. My kids immediately joined in the fun, their laughter echoing through the trees. My husband and I found a cozy spot under a big oak tree, spreading out our blanket for the picnic. We watched the squirrels scamper up and down the trunks and listened to the birds singing. After lunch, we took a leisurely stroll along the winding paths, admiring the beautiful nature around us. We saw ducks swimming gracefully in the pond and even spotted a few colorful butterflies. It was so peaceful and relaxing. We explored a new section of the park we hadn't seen before, discovering a breathtaking view of the city skyline in the distance. Spending time outdoors, away from screens, truly recharges us. It was a day filled with joy, simple pleasures, and creating beautiful memories with my loved ones. I hope this story inspires you to explore your local parks and enjoy the fresh air with your family. What are your favorite park activities? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English O Canada lessons. See you next time!